nongpyniaid bat nonghikai jong Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai pynlong jingialang khublei sngewnguh bakyrpang sorkar Jylla, Kyntiew kyrdan College shaka People's College. Kaba sorkar beit jinglut khamtam tulop jong samud nonghikai. Jingialang Myntri Pule Puthi Jylla, Rakkam A Sangma, ulalong kongsan, Bah Wailadmiki Shylla, MLA Jowai, symbud kongsan. Bah H M Shangpliang, nongpyniaid sorkar Jylla, DC West Jaiñtia Hills, B S Sohliya, khublei officer district, symbud jingialang. Dr. E Dekhar, principal kala ay jingkren pedang so bahaya baro balapoi jingialang. Yathu lingkot jingyaid lenti jong college nado usnem syahjar khandai spa khandai punyo hadu kini kisngi hakikam syakri Samla district ikiwei Jylla kari India. College kala besar shispa shiphongut Myntri, kintup nonghikai nongtri office kyrdan duna khandai spa khandai punyo ngut Samla Pule hakilai teli kitanat jingstat. Rakkam A Sangma jingkren ulayathu dan wei teli college habaro wei Jylla sorkar kala pedang Kyntiew jinglut jingsep. Kitbok college nangkiu irat jingstat jongka penpreng Pule Puthi thain jongka Meghalaya. Kumu kongsan uong kam kalalong kabajop teilingba jingbud den MLA Jowai. Kiwei bakren jingialang kintup Bah H M Shangpliang, Reverensi Lalu, Moderator KGP Synod Mengi, UWEH Lamin, Vice Principal College kiwei.
Feel the same will be feeling by other teachers or the member of the college today. No doubt today it seems so easy. It seems so easy coming here, having this program and handing over this appointment letter to the teacher. But I will tell you it's not. It's not. At the beginning, keeping in mind that the government already absorbed so many colleges, especially in Jaiñtia Hills alone. Whether it is the Nongtalang College, the college from East Jaiñtia Hills district, Shangpung College. So at that time when the teachers came to me, I thought that it will be an impossible task. Because the government already absorbed so many colleges. But we worked together. I still remember the kind of series of meeting we had. The delegation, we went to Shillong to meet our Honorable Chief Minister, other minister, requesting to consider Thomas Jones Synod College in the People's College. But at last I'm happy today. No doubt, I heard so many rumors, people talking that no, this will be one of the false promises.
And many wonderful women to be excellent women in the society and the country. The country should not shy away in recognizing the contribution of the Christian community. Today, since if I'm not wrong, you will not mind for saying this. This is more or less, I feel like a Christian institution today. Because this has been funded and sponsored by the KGP Synod. Let me live with three important things for each one of us. Yes, the objective, the vision of this church, the Synod, apart from gospel, many things. To convert an individual to be the better individual, to convert a family, some family to be the better families, to that, so that it will become the channel of blessing. Today, yes, in this college institutions, there will be many young children belonging from different faith, different backgrounds, different religions. But as institutions, I think I would request these institutions must be unique institutions because of the things that we belongs at a different, unique genesis. Just want to tell you, maybe from this week, the government of Education Department, Higher Technical Education, is giving an advertisement for the recruitment of more than 132 vacant posts of assistant lecturer, maybe from this week onwards. There are many things to be done, many works to be done. But today, I want to remind again that it is not the great institutions, it is not the great buildings, great infrastructure, the facilities, that's something else that give the quality education, but it is the loving, the commitment of the great teachers to educate our young people.